this is the gang here, look, these two here, look, get them on camera, look, these here, that's Peter one, he's also called Peter, this one here, like, this one here, look, get him on camera, there he is,
yeah.
Hey. Oh, this is great, sun's shining.
This will be on YouTube later.
Yeah. I'm just doing one for when I last went to the Idle Valley.
Oh, I saw that one. Well, I see pictures.
Which pub are we going to, Pete?
Hey?
Which pub are you taking us to? Down here. Okay.
Move.
They're flat out now, what? Although I brought this as a stand-in for the waiting for the Ducati after the hip, there's three of us now, all shagged on our lane where we live, so we've decided to come out as a threesome. A threesome, is it? Whatever you call it. Three in there's any word. The good, the bag and the ugly. I don't know which one I am. But here we go, hold a minute, hold on a minute, what we got here?
I'm just checking your teeth out, right?
We go round here, look. We'll wait for the comrades coming round. Here they come. Here they come, look. There you go. Pete and Pete. Toot and Plute are coming down the avenue now. Here they come. Toot and Plute. Hey? Oh, it's a big place, this. Show you where we are, look. Where we are, it's a big place. It's one of what they call a mega shed. This is another mega shed. I don't know whether you can see the vastness of it on the GoPro. I actually brought the drone actually because the wind's dropped. But this is a colossal mega shed, this one. Colossal. You see, look at these silly old bastards here. Hey? He says, look at those silly old bastards there. He says, look at them silly old bleeders. I know, it's massive, isn't it?
Eh?
It's massive. Say hello to the channel, Peter. You're on the channel.
Hello.
Hello.
Channel.
Hello. Look at it here. Look at that bleeder. I mean, I ask you. It makes you wonder, though, what is going to be inside it. That's what I'm questioning.
Where's all roof water go?
Well, they have drain ports, don't they? It's... Hang on. Let's put that up there. Look at the size of that. I mean, it goes all the way down this road, that. So you've got that one on that side. There, look, whatever that's going to be. So, Pete, you've seen a sign up there. And there's the other one there, which is another mega. This has been here about a couple of years, I think now. I can't remember when they built it. A couple of years ago. A lot of landscaping in here, look.
This one's used though, Derek.
Hey?
That one has got used in it.
Yeah, that one is used, yeah. I don't know what's inside it, though.
I'll tell you what. You'd think the government panels on, so it can go back to National Grid. All this roof.
Yeah. You can see the buzzard there, look, flying over the woods. He's just looking for his dinner. And it ain't gonna be me. Beautiful bird. A beautiful raptor. Beautiful birds. There he goes, look. And they come across a couple of crows. They don't like him. It's all fear. If you look down here, look. There's a pond down here, look what they did. They managed to put a pond in down here, look. They've landscaped it really nice, to be fair to them. There's the big building there, look, which is owned by, I think it's Tesco, it's Brown Bear, whatever they do. Does anybody know what Brown Bear does? Can they let me know? Brown Bear, is it clothing? I don't know what it is. Okay, continuing on. What does Brown Bear do?
I don't know what they
Is it clothing?
No, it's just...
Hold on tight. Ah, yes. Landscape thinks he's on Dodgems. Thinks he's on Dodgems, Pete, out Landscape. We're okay. We're okay. That puts their feet where I put mine up there, doesn't that?
What?
Just makes it a bit
more
rockier though.
Well, look at rock on yours.
I know. Did you under that?
No. Sort of, but not as much.
I wonder why mine does more then. Is that because it's got this suspension? Eh? Yeah. Over the main road. Oh yes. That's security. 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 This is just getting us in training for when the Ducati comes. When the Ducati comes. The red bike.
I've seen it.
Yeah, I can't wait to see it when I can ride it.
Eh?
I can't wait to see it when I can ride it after Mr. Hips had his session with me. They're mobility scooters, but really they're rocket machines. Oh yes. Oh, where are we going now?
News on the day,
What?
which teachers are keeping school kids in because there's a buzzard supposed to be flying down and attacking children at playground. And they're really not so daft in the blue.
Yeah, I'll say that way that Harris Hawk's been attacking people for ages, but they captured it and put it back.
Have they?
I've seen that, and he goes for blokes who bald ears. Right? It was funny. Fucking bloke coming up, fucking talons on his fucking head.
So it's a what?
It were a red Harris Hawk. You what, Pete?
What do you do to make your brake lights come on?
It does it automatically when you brake, or when you have to use that if you're on a road, like, and that brakes and all.
Like I say, it was her that phoned a friend and asked her to stay home.
Yeah, it's nothing.
No, you can't say you've got to stay
No,
here.
no, but I would have thought she could have checked out.
Well, personally, I would
Bit of action there. Poor buggers had a rate smasher here. Fucking rake stay that, weren't it?
It's Paul chopped him, hasn't he?
Yeah.
Not been watching what he's doing.
Yeah.